Welcome to my TryMyUI review. TryMyUI is an online platform that allows users to get paid for testing websites and providing feedback on their user experience. The platform primarily connects businesses looking to improve their website's design, usability, and overall performance with testers who can provide detailed feedback based on their experiences. When you first sign up, the process is simple. You create an account, fill out a profile with your demographic information, and wait for test invitations. Once a test is available, you're asked to complete a set of tasks on a website while speaking your thoughts out loud. The goal is to give businesses insight into how real users interact with their site. You can earn money for tests completed, which typically takes about 20 minutes. Not all tests are the same though. Some might be longer, some shorter, and you'll need to follow specific instructions for each. Payments are made via PayPal, usually within a few days of completing a test. However, I'll be honest, there can sometimes be a wait between tests, and the number of available tests fluctuates. If you're looking for a constant stream of income, this might not be the most reliable source. The user interface of TryMyUI is fairly straightforward, but not without its flaws. The site could be more intuitive, and there are occasional technical glitches that might interfere with test completion. Also, although the process is generally easy, I've noticed that some tasks can feel repetitive after a while, especially if you're testing websites in the same industry or category. However, despite some minor annoyances, the opportunity to earn money by giving your opinion on websites can be appealing. If you're willing to take the time to do a thorough job and offer honest feedback, TryMyUI is a solid option for side income. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeO, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the things I appreciate about TryMyUI is the transparency in payment. Unlike other platforms, you don't have to wait for long periods to receive your earnings, which is a huge plus. However, the availability of tasks is a bit hit or miss. It's important to have realistic expectations and understand that you might not always be able to complete tests regularly. Another aspect worth mentioning is that the testing process itself is pretty easy to follow. The task prompts are clear, and you're given enough time to work through the assigned tasks. That said, the instructions sometimes could be more detailed, especially when dealing with complex websites or tasks that require deeper interaction. In conclusion, TryMyUI can be a great way to earn some extra cash on the side, but don't expect to make a full-time income from it. If you're patient and enjoy giving feedback on websites, it's a solid platform to explore. However, for those looking for consistency or more lucrative opportunities, you might want to look elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of websites and online platforms. Let me know in the comments if you tried TryMyUI, or if you have any questions about the process. Thanks for watching.